YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be bringing y'all a review on the Bape Hoodie. Let y'all know my thoughts about it, how much I paid, sizing, all that. Before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff, so you can be notified every time I post. Let's get into it. So I did take out the bag already. This is the bag that it did come in. It says Bathing Ape, the Bape logo, and Ape showing up kill Ape. And here's what I ordered right here: green hoodie, and then a size medium. I did end up buying it online because I did not see nothing in the Bape store, so I just ended up ordering online. But the receipt is up in there. I'm not gonna take it out because it has my address and all that up in there. But I did end up paying $450 for this hoodie that is over there. So nothing special, just a bag, and then it came with the wrapping paper up in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the hoodie, show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's the hoodie right here. It says Bape right there in the middle, like a printed on text right here. Yeah, it's like a screen print or something like that. But here is the Bape logo right here on the sleeve. It has an all around camo, and it is also, hold on, it is also a full zip. So here's the back right here, all around Bape camo, and then as you can see right here, it is a full zip. Let me go ahead and show you the inside. Here's the Bape tag right there, size medium. This is way much thinner than I thought it would be. I thought it would be like way more thicker, like the shark hoodies, but it's, oh well, I'm not complaining. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for y'all real quick so I can see what it looks like with me wearing it. Okay, so here it is right here, me wearing it. I did go a size up, so if you are gonna buy one, do go a size up because they do fit tight. And after you wash it, if you get the true to size, it's not gonna fit no more. So definitely go a size up. But I'm gonna go ahead and zip it up real quick. If I could do that. Hold on. Alright, so here it is right here. With it zipped up. See that all around camo, Bape right there. And I'll go ahead and show it back real quick. I do not feel like zipping all the way up. Well, oh well, might as well. I'll show y'all real quick what it looks like zipped all the way up. So here it is right here, zipped all the way up. Let me get the thumbnail real quick. So it is hot, it does get hot. But yeah, that's basically it. Nothing much to it. If you are gonna buy one, do go a size up. Definitely if you live like in LA or I think New York or whatever, or wherever the Bape stores are at, just go in the store to see if they have anything, because it will be cheaper in the store than ordering online. But I did pay $450 for this one, and I think the ones in stores are way more cheaper. But that'll be the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for more videos. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.